Welcoming spaces are important because it can build community. This is a spot that is usable by everyone.
Shoreline residents passed a bond measure to fund improvements to Richmond Highlands Park. We heard significant need for a space that was accessible and inclusive and served all residents of the community.
The first step for an inclusive all abilities park is that it's physically accessible. That's kind of the baseline. And then other types of accessibility, including accommodating neurological differences, sensory needs. We worked with a playground manufacturer at the cutting edge of developing equipment that's really inclusive and fun for all.
They did make the park for kids with disabilities just like me. It has features like a merry-go-round for kids who not have wheelchairs.
I like the swings. The access to the park much better.
I like the new stuff. The park is for everyone.
Every feature of this was designed with accessibility in mind. You don't have to take a single step up to get anywhere in the park. It was completed from the ground up. We weren't just doing a partial renovation. And really the idea is that anybody can come out here and enjoy it.
We incorporated accessible topography. You don't really feel like it's an object to just plop down into space. It really flows with the overall landscape and also makes it completely wheelchair accessible without calling attention to it. All the pieces are connected together and really are a place for everyone.
It's been great to see youth spending way more time outside now that the space is more usable. Something that I find very special is seeing multiple generations. The high schoolers next to parents and grandparents all in one spot.
Redoing the whole park really allowed it to be an all-ages facility versus just a playground that might be a little more focused towards younger kids. They had the basketball, the table tennis, the other social spaces for those tweens and teens that are often left out of the play conversation. The whole park can serve all ages and abilities.
This place is really welcoming and fun. It just brightens the community.
It's been great. I've been hanging out with my friends, hanging out with family. Everybody is welcome.
If it's accessible for some, it does mean it's accessible for all. It makes it better for everybody and a welcoming space for everybody.
My favorite part of the project is the sensory garden. It's the first of its kind in the region.
This sensory garden is about activating and engaging all of the senses to not only have highly active, highly energized play spaces, but also have places of respite, places of calm.
I'm really proud of this project because I've seen firsthand the effect on the community. All sorts of people coming out here and enjoying the park. All different abilities, all different ages. I really feel that we delivered on what Shoreline residents wanted.